Hey guys, how's it going? In this video, we're going to be installing the front speakers. So both front speakers are exactly the same. I've already sound deadened this area as much as I want to. The front speaker is 4 10 millimeter screws. So it just comes out very easily, and then you just unclip this right here. So what you're going to do, you're going to take your nice big aftermarket speaker. As you can see, there's multiple tabs here. It's because this is a universal Toyota mount. So just mount up all four to your vehicle, however they go. Make sure you can see through the hole. Kind of do it like a star pattern. And do not over tighten it, because everything is plastic on both the stock like nut plates back here and the adapter. So do not over tighten it. In fact, when I took them off, it was just like barely turned off. So there you go, just nice and snug. And then once that's like that, you could see it started to come down, because it was, you know, maybe a 1/4 inch away, but it started to really set itself. When you are mounting this, make sure you come through that hole. That way you have your harness right here, line it up, plug it in, and then obviously test before you put on this door panel, because the door panel is a pain in the butt to put on. That's how you do it. Now I'm just going to put some sound deadening down here just to hold this wire in, and that should be that. Now, obviously sound deadening isn't meant to hold wires, but I feel like it does a great job. That way you don't have this just dangling all over the place. So that's the install. Both front doors are the exact same. Make sure you test it before you put this door panel back on. Nice and secure in there, and even though this does look like it sticks out far, it does fit with the door panel on. I did the passenger side before the driver's side. So if this video was helpful for you guys, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Keep following along in the playlist if you would like, and I will catch you guys in the next one. All right, see you later.